Listen, guys, I'm just getting ready to leave the shop. TV's off, everything. But I literally want you to see this whole series that I made on French. Listen, see? We use these. This is from like the big stencil French pack that I have. When you see these designs, you are going to freak. So, watch the video. Let me know what you think. And yeah, I'm excited. This design, I'm using a cat eye. I got the D&D ones. I love those. So I do my 2 coats, activated, of course. Then I matte top coat. And let's grab the French stencils. I'm going to use the black airbrush paint from One Air. And we're just going to layer our French in. And then slightly, ever so slightly, move it up and create just this cool little illusion design. What I did do was when I activated the cat eye, I pushed it to the bottom. So you'll have that cat eye activation and like the repeating French kind of working together to give it a little pop of something. And I'm going to tell you this, sometimes for clients, you don't need to do something major. You just need a little something just to like zhuzh it up. Really, something where they can be like, oh yeah, you know, my nail tech is the best. So honestly, this was a cool, easy, quick look. Definitely a 2 for $5 when you're talking about selling, like upselling this. Oh yeah, we can, you know, toss this on there like that. And then if you've noticed, a lot of people are leaning to more of the simple because they're not sure what to do. Okay? Now that you watch the airbrush French designs, oops, let me cut this light off. What are you thinking? Are you thinking, I'm going to try that? I'm not going to try that? Why is this girl walking in the hallway? I'm literally leaving. I thought that was a ghost. I'm literally leaving work right now. I got to do a little bit of editing, but ooh. Okay, so I'm super excited for you to watch the French airbrush nail designs. Keep watching the video. Let me know what you think after you watch it. And okay, bye.